Hey guys, what's going on? It's Liam back again with the Young Investor talking about technical analysis once again on XRP. So, looking at the 4-hour chart, we have a beautiful triangle forming. We have a touch on the top, and we had 6 attempts to hold above this level, which I'm about to show on the Fibonacci. So we had 6 attempts to stay above that 60 mark, which you're seriously seeing is a large point of indecision. Is this going above 50 cents or should this stay below? So when we look at it like that, you think, okay, so what are we thinking? Why do we just got rejected a bunch? What do I still like about this? Historically, Bitcoin has done well during this time of the year. It's looking at previous. So pulling back, let's kind of look at Bitcoin and what I see on Bitcoin's chart and why I agree that this is the potential for an up and coming uh, bull run, possibly above $1 for XRP. So looking recently, we did just try to break 20,000 on Bitcoin's chart, and we have retraced back down to all the way down, touching no, we didn't touch 16 flat, but we got at a low of 16.3, or it could have been a little lower. That's just a rough number. So 16.3, yeah, we touched around there, and then we are bouncing back up to 1800. So I kind of believe this is more to do with the parabolic nature of the last move from Bitcoin. So because Bitcoin had such a parabolic move and it got very like overbought through this area, it had to recorrect. It's just not sustainable in the long run because you just can't have that much buying power. That's just not going to happen for that long. So when we think of it like that, and you know, people need to take profit in the market, it makes sense why we would pull back. 20,000, although it is a goal, it seems that it wasn't there the first time. And I think more likely this time we could potentially see that break through 20,000 and, onwards. But what do I like when we break 20,000 or get close to 20,000? Historically, the FOMO cycle is real, very real. Oh, that's the 1 hour, I'll pull up the daily. The FOMO cycle with this is insane. Uh, when people start realizing that, oh no, I should have bought Bitcoin at 10,000 when I had the chance. Oh no, now it's 15,000. Oh no, now it's 16. People buy into that. The last turnaround, once it broke that 10,000, it got a lot of media attention, and you're getting the average everyday uh, dad or Paul down the street wanting to invest in Bitcoin, which is great. We don't just have a bunch of crypto nerds wanting to get into it. We have more of the general population wanting to get into it. So especially with this bull run, you see once it broke that 10,000, it just went ape shit on the dailies. The daily candles just grew. You have like a whole daily candle here that's clearing, nearly $2,000 when previously it could only break, $500 at most. So that's the parabolic nature is going to come when we see more volume due to the attention that is growing. So, I mean, once we get to that 20,000 range, it's likely that we could see another parabolic run with even more, attention. You can see the volume alone in these candles are just significantly larger than ever before. So we are seeing a large move in volume. So, and what does this actually have to do with XRP though? XRP, when we pull back and look at XRP, this is bullish, not only short term, but kind of long term for this as well. As Bitcoin, it gets to more significant levels at the 20,000, it's creating more of a name for itself and it's becoming more of a well known asset. So when we think of it like that and not the short term bias, long term bias proves an even better point. Do we think, as it speaks right now, I'm just going to ask again, none of this is financial advice. Do we think the number three cryptocurrency in the world is less than $1, I think the dollar mark is inevitable for this. But again, none of this is financial advice. I think the dollar mark is inevitable, but it's going to be, more or less how soon are we going to do it? Is it going to be soon? Are we going to go up, touch it, and come back down? I think it more has to do with Bitcoin than rather XRP. But looking at the technicals on the daily and the 4 hour, we have a really nice wedge forming. It's showing indecision and we're moving up higher. It's showing that sellers are now wanting to sell for more, and buyers are willing to pay more. So overall, the bias is great. I think a potential, if you bought down here with the recent swing, uh, when the moving averages crossed, I think you're looking good. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to try to do more technical analysis, and I eventually would love to maybe teach some of you guys how to do technical analysis and kind of use your own technical analysis and fundamental analysis to be able to review your own portfolio or kind of review what you have. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe. I really would appreciate it. You guys clearly do like these type of videos, so um, I just will continue to make what you guys enjoy. So thank you guys so much. This has been Liam with the Young Investor, and peace.